this game, the player has to go to the right to collect the red gem. If he gets caught by the enemies, our game will restart. But if he gets the gem, the game is won. Like this. So we head over to the Construct website, we launch the guided tour, we deny that, then here we click on new, call this new game, and then we create it. I resize our viewport, so just divide it by the half. Then we go to the asset browser, we go to new platformer pack, so we select that, and then we want to get our background, drag it on the screen like this. You can resize this as you want, as long as it covers the whole screen. Then we go to characters and double and pick our player. I just pick this one, click on it in the project window, then we resize it, and here we can guess the polygon shape for a more precise collision. Yes. Then we go to sprites and tiles. We pick one of these blocks. I like this one. We click right and import image as an object type, and we pick tiled background, because this way when we drag it here and we go down like this, it basically draws a whole wall for us. You can leave it like this, but I prefer to give it the same size as the player, and like this. Yeah, that's good. Then we need something as our goal for the game. I pick this gem, drag it here as a single object type, go here, oh, we pick the box, we delete it. Then we scale the gem also like this, and guess the polygon shape, like this. Now we need a game over or a game one text, so we add object text, put it here, and you can call it something like game one. Zack. Then we can pick a nicer font, maybe some cursive, change the color to something like this, and make it bigger. And if you change it, then we have to resize our text window. Good. Make sure that it's not initially visible. Then we give the player his movement functions. We go to behavior, add new behavior, a directional, close this, and here we just use left and right, and make sure that with set angle you select no. Then our boxes, they also need a behavior. We want them to be solid, so our character can't go through them. And then we want to create a win condition, so we want our player to hit the gem, and then we display our text. So we go to text and set visible here. And I also want to delete the player, so there's no more gameplay possible. And we go to destroy. So we try that, go to the left, can pass through, go to the right. Bam. Almost done. Now we just need some enemies. We go back to layout, and in our asset browser I just picked those block spikes, drag them on the screen, double click on that, and we resize them, something like 64. And here we can leave the collision polygon, because it don't have to be that much precise. So I want to have more than one, so copy and paste. Just for some variety, place them on different heights. So I want the blocks to move in different speeds. So we go to the block spikes here, which selects all of our block spikes. We go to instance variables, add new instance variable, and call this block speed. Okay, because now we can click on each of them and give them their own speed variable. So we make this one faster, this one a bit slower, and this one also faster. Then we need to move them. We go to System, and we want to move our block sprites every tick at an angle. The angle is 90 degrees, so they go down, and the distance they cover should be their instance speed. So we go to block spikes, dot, and now we see our block speed variable. Select that. And before we test our game, we want to make sure that our spikes come back. So we give them a behavior, and the behavior is called wrap. Okay, let's see. This looks good. They're moving different. It's a little bit harder for the player to calculate the movement. I like that. Then we need to code their collision with the player. So when the blocks collide with the player, we go to add action, and I just want to restart the layout so the player can try again. Okay. I also want, when the character collides with the gem, our blocks to be deleted. So we do it like this. Okay, let's try our game. At first, see if the collision is working. Yup, we are set back, and now we try to win it. Game 1. Awesome. Congratulations to your first game in Construct.